हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में देखेंगे एनटीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 82 के क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर्स। ये वीडियो सिर्फ क्विक रीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। अगर आपने इस टेस्ट को अटेम्प्ट किया है और डिटेल वीडियो देखा है तभी इस वीडियो को रिवीजन के लिए देखें। तो यहाँ पर पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे बायो से, देन केमिस्ट्री, उसके बाद फिजिक्स पे। एनटीए अभ्यास के सारे मॉक टेस्ट अवेलेबल हैं, उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर लें। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ देखते हैं बायो का। यहाँ fill in the blanks से an amino acid that has a single hydrogen atom as its side chain is, answer will be C, neutral in nature. The lymph collected from the body finally enters, answer will be D, subclavian vein which is situated above the heart. During inspiration, diaphragm contracts and becomes flat. Select the correct statement from the following. Answer will be C. Chromosome is made up of two sister chromatids at anaphase of mitosis. Peroxisomes are associated with, answer will be C, photorespiration. Choose the correct statement amongst the following. Answer will be C. Prolonged lack of iodine has a significant effect on thyroxine secretion. Match the columns. ए का थर्ड यानी बोन इन क्रेनियम होगा 8, बोन इन एक्जियल स्केलेटन होगा 80, फेशियल्स बोन्स 14 और बोन्स इन वर्टिब्रल कॉलम 26। द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ टू एलेल्स इन जीन पूल इज 0.19 capital A and 0.81 small a. Assume that the population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium and A. Calculate the percentage of heterozygous individual in the population. B. Calculate the percentage of homozygous recessive in the population. Answer will be D, 31% and 66%. Which of the following disease is caused by virus and transmitted through a bite of infected mosquito? Answer will be C, dengue. Arrange the following events occurring in the ovary in correct sequence. Answer will be D. सबसे पहले D होगा यानी कि the primary oocyte is arrested in prophase 1 of the meiotic division. उसके बाद C यानी the primary follicle gets surrounded by more and more layers of granulosa cell. उसके बाद A, the antrum is formed, and last में होगा B, formation of first tiny polar body. The figure shows four animals A, B, C and D. Select the incorrect answer with respect to common characteristics of these animals. Okay, तो आंसर यहाँ पे होगा हमारा जो इनकरेक्ट है बी होगा। ऑरेलिया जो है पॉलिप नहीं होगा, मेडुसा फॉर्म है। स्ट्रिंगिंग कैप्सूल्स आज प्रेजेंट ऑन बॉडी, बाकी ए सी और डी सही है। टेप वर्म फॉल्स सेगमेंटेशन ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक। ऑक्टोपस बॉडी अनसेगमेंटेड। और प्रॉन जो है वो दे हैव ज्वाइंटेड अपेंडेज। Which of the following options are about sites of digestion is correct? Answer will be D. डाइजेशन ऑफ जो न्यूक्लिक एसिड होते हैं वो माउथ में और स्टोमक में नहीं होते हैं और स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में होते हैं। Which of the following statements about sphincter of urethra is correct? Answer A. Internal urethral sphincter is made up of smooth muscles while external urethral sphincter is made up of striated muscles. The ventral diaphragm of cockroach is present in between. Answer will be C, perivisceral and perineural sinuses. The trigeminal nerves arises from the brain in the region of, answer will be A, pons, and divides into ophthalmic, maxillary and mandibular branches. Which of the following statements regarding metabolic pathway is incorrect? Answer will be D. After fat digestion, fatty acids can नो लॉन्गो पार्टिसिपेट इन सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन, ये हमारा गलत है। बाकी ए बी और सी जो है करेक्ट हैं। मेनी ऑफ द स्टेप्स ऑफ ग्लाइकोलिसिस कैन रन इन रिवर्स। स्टार्च, सुक्रोज और ग्लाइकोजन मस्ट बी हाइड्रोलाइज्ड बिफोर इट कैन इंटर द ग्लाइकोलाइसिस एंड आफ्टर फैट्स आर डाइजेस्टेड ग्लिसरॉल इंटर्स ग्लाइकोलिसिस बाय फॉर्मिंग DHAP. Which methods of birth control needs a prescription? Answer will be A. Birth control pill. Calculate the number of weak hydrogen bonds in DNA strands 204 angstrom long with 15% thymine base. Answer will be B. 162. Match the following with the types of leukocytes and their function. Answer will be A. न्यूट्रोफिल का होगा फैगोसाइटोसिस, बैसोफिल का हिपेरिन और हिस्टामाइन, एसिडोफिल्स जिसे इसनोफिल्स भी बोलते हैं उसका होगा एंटी एलर्जिक, और लिम्फोसाइट्स का होगा एंटीबॉडी फॉर्मेशन. The following is an oxygen distribution curve. The characters depicted on the axis are. Answer will be D. X axis को डोनेट करता है हमारा पार्सल प्रेस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इन mmHg, और Y एक्सिस जो है वो डोनेट करता है परसेंटेज सैचुरेशन ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन विथ ऑक्सीजन. विच इज यूनिक टू माइटोसिस एंड डज नॉट occur in meiosis. Which is unique to mitosis and does not occur in meiosis? Answer will be C. Homologous chromosomes behave independently. The mineral present in cell wall is. Answer will be C. Calcium, iron, and carbonate ion. Alcohol inhibits the secretion of, and answer will be A. Antidiuretic hormone. The sum total of genes of all the individuals in a Mendelian population constitutes. Answer will be A. Gene pool. Physiological barriers prevent microbial growth in our body include all except. Answer will be D, यानी कि यहाँ पे B होंगे स्किन, C यानी कि इंटरफेरॉन्स, और F इपिथेलियम ऑफ यूरोजेनिटल ट्रैक्ट. बाकी जो फिजियोलॉजिकल बैरियर वो हमारे टीयर्स हैं, सलाइवा और एसिड इन स्टोमक. In human male testes, the regions outside the seminiferous tubules are called interstitial spaces and they contain. Answer will be D, both A and B. यानी इम्यूनोलॉजिकली कॉम्पिटेंट सेल्स और लेडिक सेल्स होते हैं. Which of these is inserted into the female reproductive tract to provide contraception by blocking passage of sperms? Answer will be C, cervical cap. Which of the following is not characteristics of phylum Annelida? Answer will be mesodermal passage between ectoderm and endoderm. In majority of nephrons in humans, the loop of Henle is. Answer will be C, too short and extends only very little in the medulla. Which one of the following statements is not correct? आंसर विल बी डी. रेटिनल इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ विटामिन ए होते हैं, यहाँ पे सी दिया हुआ इसलिए गलत है. बाकी ए बी और सी सही है. रोडोप्सिन इज द पर्पलिश रेड प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट इन रॉड्स ओनली. रेटिनल इज द लाइट एब्जॉर्बिंग पोर्शन ऑफ विजुअल फोटोपिगमेंट्स. इन रेटिना द rods have the photopigment rhodopsin while cones have three different photopigments. Which of the following are isomers? Answer will be D, all of these. यानी 3 PGA and 2 PGA, PGAL and DHAP, glucose and fructose. The matrix of bone is hard due to calcium salts, while that of cartilage is pliable due to chondroitin salts. The molecular formula of tripalmitin is. Answer will be A, C51H98 and O6. Elioplast store. Answer will be A, fats. The amino acid derivative among the following hormones is. Answer will be epinephrine. A population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium for a gene with only two alleles. If the gene frequency of an allele is A is 0.7, the genotypic frequency of homozygous recessive individual will be. Answer will be C. यहाँ पे जो है डिटेल वीडियो यहाँ पे जो है यहाँ पे क्या बोलते हैं यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नहीं दिया हुआ है, इसलिए ये जो है टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम है, इसलिए यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नहीं दिया हुआ है। तो आप जो है अपने ऐप में देख ले। ओके, वैसे कमेंट बॉक्स में दे दिया जाएगा। यूज ऑफ कैनाबिस प्रोडक्ट्स रिजल्ट्स इन, आंसर विल बी ए अल्टरनेशन इन परसेप्शन थॉट्स फीलिंग्स। The last part of the oviduct which has a narrow lumen and joins the uterus is, answer will be D, isthmus. Among the seven pairs of contrasting traits in a pea plant as studied by Mendel, the number of traits related to flower, pod and seed respectively were, answer will be A, 2, 2 and 2. Male nucleus fuses with female nucleus during fertilization in angiosperm as, answer will be A, they possess two sets of different charges. Select the incorrect statement regarding the anatomy of a typical monocotyledonous stem. Answer will be D. Ground tissue is differentiated into cortex, endodermis, pericycle, and pith. All eukaryotic unicellular organisms belongs to the kingdom. Answer will be Protista. Read the given statement. First, a motor neuron along with the muscle fiber connected to it constitutes the neuromuscular junction. तो ये हमारा गलत होगा. Second, during muscle relaxations are pumped back from sarcoplasm to the cisternae. सही है. Third, aerobic muscles have a large number of mitochondria to utilize a large amount of oxygen for regeneration for generation of ATP. ये भी सही है. और रेड मसल हैव हाई मायोग्लोबिन कंटेंट. तो ये भी बिल्कुल सही होगा. तो यहाँ पे कह रहा है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर इनकरेक्ट. आंसर हमारा ए होगा, वन ओनली. रीड द फॉलोइंग मैचेज रिगार्डिंग द प्लासेंटेशन. आंसर विल बी ए. फर्स्ट सेकंड और थर्ड जो है सही है. प्राइमरोज का फ्री सेंट्रल, पी मार्जिनल और मैरीगोल्ड जो है वो बेसल प्लासेंटेशन में आते हैं. विच इज करेक्ट फॉर फन ड्रायोप्टेरिस. आंसर विल बी डी, बोथ ए एंड बी. यानी कि स्पोरोफाइट इज, यहाँ जो है यहाँ भी थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक है, टेक्निकल मिस्टेक. तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन जो है डी होगा, बोथ बी एंड सी. यानी स्पोरोफाइट इज इंडिपेंडेंट, गैमेटोफाइट इज इंडिपेंडेंट, यानी दोनों होते हैं इंडिपेंडेंट. व्हाट इज करेक्ट ऑर्डर इन डिक्रीजिंग साइज इन टैक्सोनॉमिक हायरार्की. आंसर ए, सबसे ज़्यादा किंगडम, देन फाइलम, देन क्लास, ऑर्डर, फैमिली, जीनस, स्पीसीज. स्पीसीज, जीनस, फैमिली, ऑर्डर, क्लास, फाइलम, किंगडम. The loss of biodiversity in a region may lead to, answer will be D, all of these. यानी decline in plant production, lowered resistance to environmental perturbations such as drought, increased variability in certain ecosystem processes such as plant productivity, water use, and pest and disease cycles. Cryogene, which synthesizes crystal protein, is isolated from, answer will be A, Bacillus thuringiensis. Often the water body is subjected to sewage pollution. Fishes die because of the, answer will be D, reduction in dissolved oxygen caused by microbial activity. Which of the following processes is employed to check the progression of a restriction enzyme digestion? Answer will be C, agarose gel electrophoresis. The amount of living biomass present in a unit area of ecosystem at a given time is referred to as, answer will be standing crop. Match the columns. तो ब्यूटारिक एसिड का होगा यहाँ आर, यानी क्लोस्ट्रिडियम ब्यूटारिकम. सिंगल सेल प्रोटीन सेकेंड का यहाँ पे एस होगा, यानी सेकेंड का एस यानी क्लोरेला यहाँ पे होगा. क्लोरेला आते हैं, स्पारुलिना आते हैं. थर्ड यहाँ पे क्लोरोमाइसिटिन का पी, यानी स्टोमाइसिज स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिस वेनेजुएली. और वाइन जो है उसकी उसके हो जाएंगे ईस्ट, यानी कि सैक्रोमाइसिस सेरेवेसी. Identify the mechanism of the flow of genetic information in HIV. आंसर विल बी सी। आरएनए पहले रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन से डीएनए बनेगा, डीएनए फिर ट्रांसक्रिप्शन करेंगे तो आरएनए बनेगा, उसके बाद ट्रांसलेशन से प्रोटीन बनेगा। In order for the human population to achieve zero population growth, which of the following must occur? Answer will be C. There must be the same number or fewer pre-reproductive individuals as there are reproductive individuals. Andalusian falls have two pure forms, black and white. If black forms capital double B and white forms small double b are crossed, individuals appear blue colored, capital B small b, due to incomplete dominance. Which of the following would be an outcome of cross between black form and blue form? Answer will be D. One black is to one blue. The capacity for generating an entirely new individual from a piece of tissue is called, answer will be D, fragmentation. Megasperm mother cell originates from, answer B, hypodermal cell of Nucellus. Refer the given reaction. What does it depict? Answer will be C, transamination. Ribulized biphosphate carboxylase ऑक्सीजनेज इंजाइम कैटेलाइजेस द रिएक्शन बिटवीन। तो यहाँ जो है ये भी यहाँ पे टेक्निकल मिस्टेक है, तो यहाँ पे जो होना चाहिए आंसर बी होगा CO2 एंड राइबोलोज 1,5 बाइफॉस्फेट। Which statements are correct? Cytokinins suppress the synthesis of chlorophyll. Auxin causes apical dominance. Gibberellin promotes shoot elongation, and abscisic acid uh, enables seeds to withstand desiccation। तो यहाँ पे बी सी और डी जो है वो सही है, यानी कि ऑक्जिन कॉज एपिकल डोमिनेंस, जिब्रेलिन प्रोमोट सूट इलोंगेशन और एब्सिसिक एसिड इनेबल सीड्स टू विदस्टैंड डेसिकेशन। साइटोकाइनिन जो है वो हेल्प नहीं करता है क्लोरोफिल बनाने में, सेल डिवीजन में हेल्प करता है। Which of the following is not an example of osmosis? Answer will be B. Water passing up a xylem element to other element above it. ये हमारा जो है नॉट एग्जाम्पल है, बाकी ए सीड जो है एग्जाम्पल है ऑस्मोसिस के। वाटर पासिंग फ्रॉम रूट हेयर टू एडिसेंट सेल्स, वाटर एंटरिंग मेसोफिल सेल फ्रॉम द जाइलम एलिमेंट्स, और वाटर एंटरिंग द रूट हेयर फ्रॉम द soil. In which of the following medium callus should be placed to produce soot? Answer will be A. Higher concentration of cytokinin and लोअर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ऑक्जीन। एस फॉर सूट और सी फॉर साइटोकाइन, जो दोनों जो है साइटोकाइन और सूट दोनों सिनोनिम्स हैं, तो ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं, सूट और स्टेम। फर्स्ट vascular plant is, answer will be C, pteridophyta. Select the correct statements regarding heterocysts. Answer will be D, all of these, यानी these are present in some filamentous cyanobacteria such as Nostoc and Enavena. These cells are specialized to perform endotoxin, and these cells contain enzyme nitrogenase. Match the following and choose the correct combination from the options given. Answer will be A. यहाँ पे भी जो टेक्निकल मिस्टेक है, तो यहाँ आंसर जो ए का 1 है, यहाँ पे एक मिनट, आंसर यहाँ ए होगा, यानी कि ए का 4 यानी ब्रासिक एसिड का एंड्रोसियम जो है 2+4 है, बी का 3 यानी फेवेसी का 9+1 है, और सी का 2 यानी सोलानेसी एंड्रोसियम जो है 5 होते हैं, फ्यूज्ड होते हैं, और डी का 1 यानी लियसी का ए जो है 3+3। इस टाइप का भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है। ओके, आते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में। मैच द कॉलम्स 1 and 2 and choose the correct combination from the options given। ओके, तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट जो है डिक्टियोटा है, फर्स्ट फिगर, सेकंड है यहाँ पे पोरफायरा, और थर्ड है कारा। ओके, आंसर हमारा सी हो जाएगा, ए का सेकेंड, बी का थर्ड और सी का वन। Which of the following is referred to as evil quartet reference to the loss of biodiversity? Answer will be B. Habitat loss and fragmentation, over exploitation, alien species invasion, or co-extinction. Transgenic rice, that is golden rice, has been developed for increased content of. Answer will be A. Vitamin A. The vector requires a selectable marker which helps in identifying selectively permitting the growth of transformants. Answer will be A. Selectable marker. In aquatic ecosystem, GFC is the major conduit for energy flow, as against in the terrestrial ecosystem a much larger fraction of energy flows through the DFC यानी detritus food chain than uh, grazing food chain. Good ozone is found in the stratosphere. How many of the following statements are incorrect? First, microbes comprise diverse organisms like protozoa, bacteria, fungi, and microscopic plants, viruses, oviriotes, and also prions that are proteinaceous infectious agent. तो ये हमारा गलत होगा. Second, microbes like bacteria, viruses, and many fungi can be grown on nutritive media to form colonies. तो ये हमारा सही है. सेकंड थर्ड यहाँ पे करा इन आर स्टोमैक लैब प्ले अ वेरी बेनिफिशियल रोल इन चेकिंग डिजीज काउजिंग माइक्रोब्स, तो ये भी सही है. फोर यहाँ पे है टॉडी अ ट्रेडिशनल ड्रिंक ऑफ सम पार्ट्स ऑफ सदर्न इंडिया इज मेड बाय फर्मेंटिंग सैप फ्रॉम सुगर केन, तो ये हमारा गलत हो जाएगा. इसलिए आंसर हमारा होगा ए यानी टू. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म आर सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स विच आर microscopic in size and requires a microscope to view them. They are found almost in all habitat and are very diverse. Protozoa, bacteria, fungi, and microscopic plants, viruses, viruses, and also prions that are proteinaceous infectious agents. Many of the microbes like bacteria and fungi can be cultured by growing on nutrient media and can be used for making products for human welfare. Lactic acid bacteria helps in converting milk to curd by making acids that coagulate and partially digest milk proteins. Lab found in our stomach play an important role in keeping a check on pathogenic microbes. Microbes are useful in making many useful products by fermentation. One of the traditional drink of South India, toddy, is made by fermenting sap of palms. Read the statements 1 to 4. Uh, how many statements are correct यहाँ पे है तो फर्स्ट यहाँ पे करेक्ट ड्यूरिंग ट्रांसक्रिप्शन एडेनिन पेयर्स विथ यूरासिल. The human genome has 98% of junk DNA. A human genome on an average contains 3000 base pairs and there are about 30,000 genes in the human genome. For Y chromosome of the human genome has the least number of genes, that is 321 in human genome. और फिफ्थ यहाँ पे है वेस्टर्न ब्लॉट इज यूज टू डिटेक्ट प्रोटीन्स, तो आंसर हमारा ये होगा. सारे जो स्टेटमेंट है पांचों स्टेटमेंट्स यहाँ पे करेक्ट हैं. सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके, तो यहाँ पे भी जो है टेक्निकल मिस्टेक है. तो कमेंसलिज्म का यहाँ पे होगा फर्स्ट. यहाँ प्रीडेशन है तो प्रीडेशन का होगा फोर्थ यानी कैट एंड रैट. कमेंसलिज्म का होगा कैटल एंड इग्रेट फर्स्ट. पैरासिटिज्म का ह्यूमन एंड प्लाज्मोडियम विवेक्स. और एमेंसिलिज्म का फंजाई एंड बैक्टीरिया. आंसर सी. To determine the genotype of a tall plant of generation, Mendel crossed this plant with a dwarf plant of generation. This cross represents आंसर will be A टेस्ट क्रॉस. तो यहाँ F1 F2 जनरेशन होना चाहिए था, टेक्निकल मिस्टेक है. Siphonogamy is characteristics of. Answer will be A all spermatophytes, that is gymnosperm and angiosperm. Calvin cycle operates in. Answer will be A C3 प्लांट्स, C4 प्लांट्स और कैम प्लांट्स तीनों में होते हैं, यहाँ भी टेक्निकल मिस्टेक है। रिकॉग्नाइज द फिगर एंड फाइंड आउट द करेक्ट लेवलिंग। तो यहाँ पे जो है ए और डी जो है यहाँ पे अर्थमेटिक है, और बी एंड सी जो है वो जियोमेट्रिक ग्रोथ है। ट्रू ब्रीडिंग रेड आइड ड्रोसोफिला फ्लाइज with plain thoraxes were crossed with pink-eyed flies with striped thoraxes. The flies were then test crossed against the double recessive. The following F2 generation resulted from the cross. Okay. तो करा what percentage number of recombinants results from the test cross? Answer will be 14. तो यहाँ भी जो है थोड़ा टेक्निकल मिस्टेक है। आंसर हमारा जो है, क्योंकि फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो यहाँ पे आंसर रीड कर लेंगे देखकर। बोथ ए एंड बी यहाँ पे होना चाहिए आंसर, यानी बोथ स्पोरोफाइटिक बैक्टीरिया एंड बोथ सैप्रोफाइटिक बैक्टीरिया एंड सैप्रोफाइटिक फंजाई आर important decomposers that cause decay and decomposition of dead bodies of plants and animals. Which one of the following diagrams represents the placentation in Dianthus? Answer will be D. Superficial. डायंथस यहाँ पे है तो इसका एग्जाम्पल का ट्रिक था PDF, यानी कि प्राइमरोज और डायंथस जो है फ्री सेंट्रल आते हैं। इसका हम ट्रिक भी बना रखा है सारे प्रेजेंटेशन का, आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में देख सकते हैं। आंसर हमारा डी होगा। ओके, फ्री सेंट्रल। The value of regression coefficient Z is dependent on, answer will be D, both A and B, यानी species richness और area of region. Statement 1, Biolistis method of gene transfer is an example of direct gene transfer, सही है। Statement 2, in Biolistis method PBR332 is used, तो ये हमारा गलत होगा। Statement 1 and 1 is true और statement 2 is false. The fraction of energy lost when an organism proceeds from one trophic level to the next trophic level is, answer will be D, 90% जो है वो लॉस हो जाते हैं, only 10% ट्रांसफर होते हैं। Polypeptide chain in eukaryotes is initiated by codons coding for amino acid, answer will be C, methionine, जो AUG जो होते हैं स्टार्टिंग कोडोन, AUG कोड करता है मिथियोनिन को। A child has blood group O if the father has the blood group A and the mother has the blood group B, what will be the genotype of its parents? तो यहाँ भी टेक्निकल मिस्टेक है, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 86 का देख लेते हैं। 86, तो आंसर हमारा जो है वो बी है, यानी कि IA एंड IBI दोनों हेट्रोजाइगस होंगे, तभी जो चाइल्ड है वो ब्लड ग्रुप ओ होगा। In the majority of the angiosperms, pollens are discharged at, answer will be A, two-celled stage. Cyanobacteria are classified under kingdom, answer will be A, Monera. Some of the dominant traits studied by Mendel were, answer will be C, violet flower color, green pod color, and round seed shape. Advanced oogamous sexual reproduction is found in, answer will be D, यानी more than one option is correct. यानी कि टेडोफाइट और जिम्नोस्पर्म दोनों में होते हैं एडवांस टाइप ऑफ सेक्सुअल oogamous sexual reproduction. Oogamy is the form of sexual reproduction and it is a type of heterogamy. Also comes under the part of anisogamy. Oogamy is the fertilization process where the male gamete is received by the female and fusion occurs within the female gamete cell. In it, the male and female gamete are not of same size and shape. Such type of reproductive fertilization is observed in gymnosperm, bryophytes and even pterophytes, यानी तीनों होंगे, ब्रायोफाइट्स, टेरोफाइट्स और जिम्नोस्पर्म तीनों में होंगे। ओके, तो वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, नए व्यूअर्स से प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना, क्योंकि ऐसे ही वीडियो क्विक रीजन के आते रहेंगे। अब आते हैं यहाँ पे केमिस्ट्री पे। केमिस्ट्री का डिटेल वीडियो जो है आप आरजी केमिस्ट्री न्यू लाइट इंस्टीट्यूट और या फिर केपीएस चौहान केमिस्ट्री पे देख सकते हैं फुल वीडियो। First, in Lagrange's method of adsorption of a gas on a solid surface, answer will be C. The mass of gas striking a given area of surface is proportional to the pressure of the gas. Second, which of the following equations was suggested by Drew Broglie? यहाँ पे आंसर ये होगा 2 pi r equal to n lambda. Which of the following gives rise to the formation of bond? Answer will be पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव जो है वही जो है बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करेगा। A metal oxide has the formula H2O3. It can be reduced by hydrogen to give free metal and water. 0.1596 gram of metal oxide requires 6 mg of hydrogen for complete reduction. The atomic mass of metal in AMU is answer will be 55.8. Gypsum on heating above 437 Kelvin gives answer will be D CaSO4. An alkene on reductive ozonolysis gives two products A and B. When these products are treated with concentrated KOH, one of these products gives an alcohol and an acid salt. Here the alkene can be answer will be C isobutene. A mixture contains N2O4 and NO2 in 2:1 ratio by volume. The vapor density of the mixture is answer will be D 38:3. Which of the following reactions will not give pure propane? Answer will be A CH3 CH2 Cl plus sodium gives plus Cl CH3 in presence of ether. A noble gas which forms interstitial compound is answer will be A helium. Distance between tetrahedral and octahedral void in FCC lattice will be given edge length of unit cell equal to A. Answer will be A under root 3 A by 4. Which of the following is the anhydride of HNO2? Answer will be B N2O3. How many secondary and tertiary carbon atoms are present in this compound respectively? Answer will be B 2 and 2. Pick out the incorrect statement for SO2. Answer will be C. It does not react with chlorine in presence of charcoal. Consider the reaction PCl5 gas gives PCl3 gas plus Cl2 gas. Second N2O4 gas gives 2NO2 gas. The addition of an inert gas at constant volume, answer will be D, will not disturb the equilibrium of the reaction. If the equal volumes of BaCl2 and NaF solutions are mixed, which of these combinations will not give a precipitate? Answer will be D 0.020 m BaCl2 and 0.002 m NaF. Which of the following reagents cannot be used to distinguish between phenol and benzyl alcohol? Answer will be C. Sodium bicarbonate. Select the compound having maximum conductivity in aqueous medium. Answer will be A. CrNH3 whole 6 Cl3. An alkane with molecular mass of 72 mu when brominated gives only one monobrominated product. The alkane is answer will be C2,2 dimethyl propane. A standard enthalpy of formation of O3, CO2, NH3 and HIR 142.2, minus 393.2, minus 46.2 and plus 25.9 kilojoule per mole respectively. The order of their increasing stability will be answer will be C, O3, HI, NH3 and CO2. An electrolytic cell contains a solution of Ag2SO4 and has platinum electrodes. A current is passed until 1.6 gram of O2 has been liberated at anode. The amount of silver deposited at cathode will be answer will be D 21.60 gram. In which solvent NaCl has a maximum solubility? Answer will be A H2O. Ratio of spin only magnetic moment of Fe3 plus and CO2 plus is. Answer will be C, under root 35 is to under root 15. Acidified KMnO4 solution is decolorized by. Answer will be C, more salt. The degree of ionization alpha of weak electrolytes XBY is related to Van Hoff's factor by expression. Answer will be B, alpha equal to I minus 1 by X plus Y minus 1. Which of the following can show tautomerism here? Answer will be D, both B and C. Which of the following is the most stable carbocation here? Answer will be B. 1 mole of ice is converted to liquid at 273 Kelvin. H2O solid and H2O liquid have entropies 38.20 and 60.03 joule uh, per per mole degree. Enthalpy changes in the conversion will be. Answer will be B, 5959.59 joule per mole. The total number of nitrogen atoms present in veronal is. Answer will be C2. Which of the following graph correctly represents the variation of molar conductance lambda del m with a dilution for a strong electrolyte? Answer will be B. The pH of resultant solution of 20 ml of 0.1 m CH3COOH and 20 ml of 0.1 m CH3COONH. Answer will be pKa2. A polymer is resultant to heat and chemical attack and is also used for coating articles and cookwares to make them non-sticky. The monomer of this polymer is. Answer will be B, tetrafluoroethylene. Assume that a particular amino acid has an isoelectric point of 6.0 in a solution at pH 1.0. Which of the following species will predominate? Answer will be A. In the sequence of friction, the final product T is. Answer will be C. For the reaction 2NH3 gives N2 plus 3H2. The relation between K1, K2 and K3 may be given as. Answer will be A, 1.5 K1 equal to 3 K2 equal to K3. An organic compound X C7H8O is insoluble in both sodium bicarbonate and NaOH. On treatment with bromine water, X rapidly forms compound of molecular formula C7H5OBr3. The compound X is. Answer will be D, anisole. Identify the final product Z in the following sequence of reaction. Answer will be B, CH3 whole thrice N. Dimethyl glyoxyme forms a square planar complex with Ni2 plus. The complex should be. Answer will be A, diamagnetic. All aldehydes can made to undergo the Cannizzaro reaction by treatment with aluminum oxide. Under these conditions, the acid and alcohol are combined to form an ester. The reaction is called. Answer will be D, Tischenko reaction. In the balanced chemical equation, IO3 minus plus AI minus plus BH plus gives CH2O plus Di2. A, B, C and D are respectively. Answer will be A, 5633. Iron is rendered passive by treatment with concentrated. Answer will be D, HNO3. In metal oxide O2 minus, ions are arranged in HCP lattice while metal ions occupy 2 by 3rd of octahedral voids. The simplest formula of oxide is. Answer will be B, M2O3. Which of the following will be the major product when 3-phenyl propene reacts with HBr? Answer will be D, C6H5 CHBr CH2 CH3. 1 gram of hydrogen and 112 gram of nitrogen are enclosed in two separate containers, each of volume 5 liter and at 27 degrees Celsius. If the pressure of the hydrogen is 1 atm, then the pressure of nitrogen would be. Answer will be C, 8 atm. What is the decreasing order of strength of the bases? Answer will be OH minus NH2 minus HC ट्रिपल बॉन्ड C माइनस एंड CH3 माइनस. सॉरी, यहाँ पे जो है स्ट्रेंथ बताना है तो आंसर हमारा ये होगा CH3 माइनस सबसे ज़्यादा, उसके बाद NH2 माइनस, देन HC ट्रिपल बॉन्ड C माइनस, देन OH माइनस. From the following isomerization reaction, cyclohexane gives reversibly hexene 1 K equal to 1.732. What is the which of the following statements holds good at point A? Answer will be D. Q equal to K equal to 1.732. ओके, तो ये सारे था केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चंस. वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, और जो नए व्यूअर्स से प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. अब आते फिजिक्स में. फिजिक्स का अगर डिटेल वीडियो देखना है तो आप हेल्पिंग हैंड बाय सिद्धार्थ सर या फिर आरजी एकेडमी पे फुल डिटेल वीडियो देख सकते हैं. When electron jumps from a higher energy state to a lower energy state, which of with an energy difference of delta E electron volt, then the wavelength of the spectral line emitted is approximately. Answer will be D, 12375 by delta E angstrom. The transition from the state n equal to 4 to n equal to 3 in a hydrogen-like atom results in ultraviolet radiation. Infrared radiation will be obtained in the transition from. Answer will be D, 5 to 4. Uh, Two bodies A and B having masses in the ratio of 3 is to 1 possesses the same kinetic energy. The ratio of linear momenta B to A is. Answer will be C, 1 is to root 3. A truck of mass 10 metric ton runs at 3 meter per second along a level track and collides with a loaded truck of mass 20 metric ton standing at rest. If the trucks couple together, the common speed after the collision is. Answer will be A, 1 meter per second. A particle moves in a circle of radius 30 centimeter. Its linear speed is given by v equal to 2t, where t is in second and v in meter per second. Find out its radial and tangential acceleration at t equal to 3 seconds respectively. Answer will be C, 120 meter per second square and 2 meter per second square. A non-uniform circular motion. In non-uniform circular motion, the ratio of tangential to radial acceleration is r equal to radius of the circle, e equal to speed of the particle, alpha equal to angular acceleration. Answer will be C, alpha r square by u square. A current of 2 ampere flows through 2 ohm resistor when connected across a battery. The same battery supplies a current of 0.5 ampere when connected across a 9 ohm resistor. The internal resistance of the battery, answer will be A, 1 by 3 ohm. A potentiometer wire 10 meter long has a resistance of 40 ohm. It is connected in series with a resistance box and 2-volt storage cell. If the potential gradient along the wire should be 0.1 millivolt per centimeter, the resistance unplugged in the box is. Answer will be 760 ohm. An AC source of angular frequency omega is fed across a resistor R and capacitor C in series. The current registered is I if now the frequency of the source is changed to omega by 3 but maintaining the same voltage, then current in the circuit is found to be halved. Calculate the ratio of reactance to resistance at original frequency omega. Answer will be A, under root 3 by 5. In a AC circuit, the current is 3 ampere and voltage 210 volt and power is 63 watt. The power factor is. Answer will be D, 0.10. 7 capacitors each of capacitance 2 microfarad are connected in a configuration to obtain an effective capacitance 10 by 11 microfarad. Which of the following combination will achieve the desired result? Answer will be A. The net force acting on Q naught is. Answer will be D, Q naught by A square. A mass capital M is split into two parts, a small m and capital M minus a small m. which are then separated by a certain distance. The ratio small m is to capital M, which maximizes the gravitational force between the parts is answer will be 1 is to 2. In a new planet, if a new planet is discovered rotating around the sun with the orbital radius double that of Earth, then what will be the its time period in Earth's days? Answer will be A 1032 days. An ideal gas is taken through a series of changes from P1 V1 to 4 P1. V1 gives V1 to P1 and 3 V1 represented in the figure. The net work done by the gas at the end of the cycle is equal to answer will be 3 P1 V1. An ideal gas is expanding such that Pt square equal to constant. The coefficient of volume expansion of the gas is answer will be C 3 by capital T. The value of sink temperature when the efficiency of the engine is 100% is answer will be A 0. Two electron beams having velocities in the ratio 1 is to 2 are subjected to the same transverse magnetic field. The ratio of the radii is answer will be A 1 is to 2. A current I flows along the length of an infinitely long straight thin walled pipe. Then answer will be C. Magnetic field at any point inside the pipe is 0. When a bar magnet is placed at 90 degree to uniform magnetic field, it is acted upon by a couple which is maximum. For the couple to be half of the maximum value, it is to be inclined to the maximum to the magnetic field at an angle is answer will be A 930 degree. A motorboat covers a given distance in 6 hours moving down a stream of a river. It covers the same distance in 10 hours moving upstream. The time it takes to cover the same distance in still water is answer will be 7.5. A particle is moving with velocity v equal to k y I cap plus x j cap, where k is a constant. The general equation for its path, his answer will be d y square equal to x square plus constant. The coefficient of friction between two surfaces is mu equal to 0.8. The tension in the string as shown in the figure is answer will be a 0 Newton. A block of mass capital M is resting on a smooth horizontal plane. On one end of a uniform rope of mass capital M by 4 is fixed to the block, which pulled it in the horizontal direction by applying a force F at the other end. The tension in the middle of the rope is answer will be C 9 by 10 F. The triad of nuclei that is isotonic is answer will be D C 14 6, nitrogen 15 and 7, and oxygen 16 and 8. A sample of iodine 138, 131 and 51 as iodine ion was administered to a patient in a carrier consisting of 0.10 milligram of stable iodine ion. About 4 days 67.7% of initial radioactivity was detected in the thyroid gland of the patient. The percentage of stable iodine ion uh, that had migrated to the thyroid gland if T half for iodine ion is 8 days, its answer will be B 95.7%. A particle of mass m is executing oscillations about the origin on the x-axis with amplitude a. Its potential energy is given as U x equal to alpha x to the power 4, where alpha is a positive constant. The x coordinate of mass where potential energy is one third the kinetic energy of the particle is answer will be plus minus a by under root 2. The displacement x in meter of a particle performing simple harmonic motion is related to time t in second as x equal to 0.05 cos 4 pi t plus pi by 4. The frequency of the motion will be answer will be d 2 Hz. Ultraviolet radiation of 6.2 electron volt falls on an aluminum surface. Work function 4.2 electron volt. The kinetic energy of the faster electron emitted is approximately, answer will be C, 3.2 into 10 to power minus 19 joule. Light of two different frequencies whose photons have energies 1 electron volt and 2.5 electron volt respectively illuminate a metallic surface whose work function is 0 0.5 electron volt successively. The ratio of maximum speeds of emitted electrons will be, answer will be B 1 is to 2. The rate of steady volume flow of water through a capillary tube of length L and radius R under a pressure difference of P each V. The tube is connected with another tube of the same length but half the radius in series. Then the rate of steady volume flow through them is the pressure difference across the combination is P. Answer will be V by 17. A given quantity of an ideal gas is at a pressure P and absolute temperature T. The isothermal bulk modulus of the gas is, answer will be capital P. A slab of a glass of refractive index 1.5 and thickness 3 centimeter is placed with the faces perpendicular to the principal axis of concave mirror. If the radius of curvature of the mirror is 10 centimeter, the distance at which an object must be placed from the mirror so that image coincides with the object is, answer will be C, 11 centimeter. Two convex lenses of focal length 0.3 meter and 0.5 meter are used to make a telescope. The distance kept between the two in order to obtain an image at infinity. Answer will be A, 0.35 meter. When a ceiling fan is switched off, its angular velocity falls to half while it makes 36 rotations. How many rotations will it make before coming to rest? Answer will be D, 12. A thin horizontal circular disc is rotating about a vertical axis passing through its center. An insect is at rest at a point near the rim of the disc. The insect now moves along a diameter of the disc to reach its other end. During the journey of insect, the angular speed of the disc is, answer will be C, first increases and then decreases. In a NPN transistor, the collector current is 10 milliampere. If 90% of the electrons emitted reach the collector, then the emitted current will be, answer will be 11 milliampere. If a LED is forward biased, then answer will be A. Electrons from the N-type side cross the PN junction and recombine with holes in the P-type side. The end of two rods of different materials with their thermal conductivities, area of cross section and lengths all are in the ratio 1 is to 2 are maintained at the same temperature difference. If the rate of flow of heat is the in the first rod is 4 calorie per second, then in the second rod rate of heat flow in calorie per second will be, answer will be C, 8. The square root of the product of inductance and capacitance has the dimension of, answer will be C, time. The central fringe shifts to the position of the fifth bright fringe if a thin film of refractive index 1.5 is introduced in the path of light of wavelength 5000 angstrom. The thickness of the glass plate is, answer will be 5 micrometer. A linear aperture whose width is 0.02 centimeter is placed immediately in front of lens of focal length 60 centimeter. The aperture is illuminated normally by a parallel beam of wavelength 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter. The distance of the first dark band of the diffraction pattern from the center of the screen is, answer will be D, 0.15 centimeter. Displacement time graph for two wave wave 1 and wave 2 are shown in figure. The ratio of the intensity of wave 1 to that of wave 2 is, answer will be B, 9 is to 4. 44. Or an open pipe is suddenly closed at one end, with the result that the frequency of third harmonic of the closed pipe is found to be higher by 100 Hz than the fundamental frequency of the open pipe. The fundamental frequency of the open pipe is, answer will be A, 200. लास्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा फिजिक्स का है. पावर सप्लाइड टू अ पार्टिकल ऑफ मासेस 2 kg वेरीज विथ टाइम एच पी इक्वल टू 3t² by 2 watt, वेयर t इज इन सेकेंड्स. If the velocity of the particle at t equal to 0 is v equal to 0, thus the velocity of the particle at t equal to 2 second will be, answer will be C, 2 meter per second. ओके, ये सारे हमारे थे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो का क्विक रिवीजन वीडियो. वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, और जो नए व्यूअर्स थे प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना. अगर किसी को एनटीए का जो पीडीएफ चाहिए, अगर 1 to 70 80 तक मिल जाएंगे, तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स जरूर चेक कर लेना. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे. और एग्ज़ाम का जो है टाइम बहुत नज़दीक आ रहा है, इसलिए बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करें. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे.